Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make sorbet without an ice cream maker. First, prepare your fruit base by blending fresh fruit with sugar and a little water or juice until smooth. Ensure the mixture is well chilled in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. This initial cooling step is crucial for a smooth texture. Then, pour the cold mixture into a shallow freezer-safe dish. Once your sorbet base is in the freezer, the magic begins. Every 30 to 45 minutes, take it out and vigorously stir the mixture. Use a fork or a whisk to break up any ice crystals forming, especially around the edges. This regular stirring prevents large ice crystals and creates that wonderfully smooth, scoopable texture we all love. Continue this process for about 3 to 4 hours. The beauty of homemade sorbet is the endless flavor possibilities. Try using different fruits like mango, raspberry, or lemon for unique tastes. A hint of fresh mint or basil can elevate your sorbet, or even a dash of your favorite liqueur for an adult treat. Once it reaches your desired consistency, serve it right away for the best experience. Enjoy your delicious homemade sorbet. Sometimes sorbet can freeze a bit too hard. If this happens, simply let it sit out at room temperature for 5 to 10 minutes before scooping. Remember, the amount of sugar affects the texture. More sugar can make it softer. For more kitchen tips and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker mentioned, please see the description below for links and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.